Good morning, children, and welcome to a special assembly. Because of the coronavirus, some of you, in particular the P7s and Miss Logan, have missed out on some important events this year. I can't do anything about the gorge walking, but I think we found a way of doing a summer show. Miss Logan, you can tell them the next bit.
Thank you, Mr. James. Good morning, everybody. Yes, we wanted to make this video to show you how it would be possible to do a school show as a film without coming into close contact with one another.
We will send out a script to you, just like we would do in school. We will then ask you to audition as we normally do, but this time we will ask you to make an audition film and send it in.
After we have reviewed the auditions and allocated parts to those who want them, you have to rehearse one line at a time and film it following the instructions on the script. Each line or two will be a separate piece of film that will be uploaded into Teams.
Because of the magic of film, it doesn't matter if we don't have enough people to play all the parts, because each of us can play more than one part if we need to. For example, you could have a conversation with yourself. Oh no, you couldn't. Oh yes, I could.
Oh no, you couldn't. Oh, shut up, you three.
We could go back to being with Cinderella and her husband Rockefeller. This is somebody's back foot job from a different production, but we could use it. We could fly across the rooftops of London like Peter Pan. Or we could be in a library.
Finally, Mr. James will take all of the bits of film and put them all together.
But some important points first. You do not have to do this. This is not compulsory. You only do it if you want to.
You must talk about it with your parents, as they are probably the ones that will be doing the filming.
If you want to do it, and you say you will do it, then you have to. No dropping out.
Fishy's Got Talent and the Great Fishy Bake Off will be finishing at the end of the week. The Fish Olympics will be continuing until June the 12th, but there will be no new challenges.
We have paid a licence fee that allows us to make a film and put it online. So it will be available for you, your friends, your mums and dads, your grannies, your dogs, your cats, anybody to watch it whenever they want to.
Oh no, I'll need to dye my hair.